How to review Facebook editor activity on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to review Facebook editor activity on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find the storylines in the top corner and go down until you find settings, and now click activity log, and here you will find this one here, local actions and other activity. Click on it and go down until you find Facebook editor and click on it, and here you can review it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.